Right, Paslode nailer. This is the old style 350 nail gun. What I want to cover in this video is a basic service. That is, gets to the end of the day, it's not working very well, things need sorting out, you ain't got time to get into the centre and such, apart from which it's so easy you shouldn't need to take it into the centre. You take it home, quick half an hour, strip down, good clean, put it back together again, beautiful again. Okay, so that's what we're going to cover in this video. First thing, make it safe. Battery gone. Nails out. Gas out. Now it's safe. First thing, we want to separate the two pieces. We remove them 4 screws, them 2 screws. It's apart. Get the correct tools, and out they come. Then the other end. You have in here 2 screws in the centre. That's what wants removing. Same again, torque screw, out it comes. I'm doing it on this silly towel so that you can see the components. Okay, once they're apart, then it's just a simple case of lifting this up and freeing it out. There you have the 2 halves. It's very simple, very easy. For standard servicing, now what you want to do is inside here is be cleaning the piston. You see the piston there? Nice and clean is mine because I've just done it. Yours will be really dirty. That you want to clean out. Using this, the Paslode degreaser. It works wonderful. Give that a clean. Give every item a clean. Make sure all the dirt is removed. It will foul up and make it not function as good as it should. In the body, give the fan blade a clean. Give the O-ring a clean. Check it's not damaged. Give the little prongs at the bottom there a clean. Make sure they're okay. And check the switch. This is your switch for the fan, which activates, as you can see there, as you slide it, it activates and gets the fan going. Make sure that's fine. And just generally look around and make sure everything's okay. If it is, at that point, you would be service free and putting it back together again. Which would just be a simple case of heel in first, and snap, put all the bolts back in. Then on the back, the filter cover goes back on. Now in there is a filter. It's very clear, you can see through it. If it's grimed up, open it up, get it cleaned up. It just pops out, it's very easy. Just a couple of little screwdrivers in there and just pry it out. It's very flexible plastic, it comes out very easy. Just give that a wash through with a bit of spirit, dry it off and put it back in again. Nothing major about that. And that is how to do a basic service. Right, and of course the last thing is to load it up and test it. So let's gas in first. Nails. And the battery. Making sure you've got a good pulsation of green light there. There's a block, press, squeeze. No, that's working fine. Right, well that's it. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you found it of some use to you. If you've got any questions, shove them in the bottom. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, once again, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.